Yusik Boy de la Peña, Yusik Ami Guevara, Yusik Carol, Mr. Wilson Chu of EVPI, yung our new partner, our DOST family, including our regional directors and other executive directors, RDI directors, to the set-up adapters, to the set-up awardees, to the other members of DOST family. Mga kaibigan, magandang hapon po. Well, first of all, I'd like to magkikwento lang ako because we have similarities do sa ating set-up adapters. Before I joined government, I was also involved din ako sa SME. Actually, we had a family business that we can consider as a SME. That is one similarity natin. The second similarity our SME was assisted also by DOST. Actually, Yusik Boy was the executive director of TAPI before, and through TAPI, we were able to get financial assistance for two of our projects. Yung una namin project ay, before kasi, ang water well screen was imported. I was able to develop an equipment that could make the water well screen. I got an assistance from DOST to commercialize it. It came out successful naman. The second, hindi lang ako nabigyan ng isang assistance, dalawa pa. Using the same way of doing, before all was imported. Wala talaga yung fully integrated na gumagawa ng water gabions. These are used for the slope protection. Sinet up din namin we developed the equipment that full integrated yung paggawa ng gabion na local. Lahat to local. Again, we get financial assistance from DOST. And during its peak, for both products, we were working 24/7 for almost 2 to 3 years. We were employing siguro at the peak, tinatanong ko si Bob, siguro maabot kami ng 200 to 300 personnel during its peak. Again, our similarity is how to use technology to make the business viable. So in effect, we have three similarities. We were involved in SME. Second is that we were assisted by DOST. And the third one, alam natin that technology can make our business more competitive, more viable. Now, why is set up a priority program ng DOST? Again, from numbers from data gathered, very, very convincing that if you leverage technology into your business, it becomes more viable as presented even earlier. Kinumpute namin the average cost in being able makadagdag tayo ng trabaho, one sustainable worker is around 50,000. Based on our financial assistance, ang cost ay 50,000 for one worker na dadagdag. I don't think any other program ay nakakagawa ng isang worker, sustainable ibig sabihin, regular worker at 50,000. The second important consideration why setup is so important is that it is in the countryside. It is a priority program ng ating Aquino government na dapat inclusive. Dapat countryside ang be given more priority than the urban dahil puno-puno na urban. And the third one talaga is the direction of setup talaga is to create value. Using kanina sinabi na ni Director Rowen yun, we are creating value, additional value from a existing raw material, commodity, or even product. I'd just like to cite one sample. Mayroon tayong technical intervention. Kasi ako natutuwa ako dito sa intervention eh. I think it's applicable din sa Montaño eh. Yung bilangan ng bacteria, yung the whole chain from fishing, from the fishing boat to the finished product, bilangan ng bacteria along every stage of the process. Binomonitor ang bacteria, tapos titingnan kung dumami yung bacteria more than the required or more than the minimum, at maghahanap ng intervention para bumaba, para ma-monitor at ma-control ang amount of bacteria up to the finished product. And the cost is not that big to be able to maintain or control the bacteria count up to the finished product. Pero you can just imagine the value that na-generate because you are now talking about a quality product. Yung pumapasa sa HACCP kanina that is being mentioned. And you'll be surprised also kung bilangan na bacteria, they're very proud that yung bacteria nila is much lower than what is required by the European, kasi very conscious na nga tayo magbilangan ng bacteria. Now, I like to touch on another topic. Bakit may pag-asa sa Pilipino? In IT BPO industry, we are number 1 ngayon sa call center. We will be number 1 in 4 other areas. We're talking about accounting, financial services, baka animation, actually hindi ko na alam yung mga pangalan. No? Anyway, 4 other areas na hindi lang call center o contact center. We would like to be a big player in 3 other areas, including engineering, animation, creative industries, health. I mentioned earlier pala, health pala kailangan. Okay. Bakit tayo nagna-number 1 dito? Bakit tayo magiging globally competitive? Ang sagot dyan is because we are really creative. I discussed this sa isang NRCP General Assembly. At tinanong ko, kasi samahan to ng mga scientists from all fields. Tinanong ko sa isang humanist scientist, si Dr. Felipe De Leon, bakit ba tayo, are we really, yun ang mabigat na tanong, are we really creative o ano lang ito, concept lang ba ito or are we really creative? Coming from a humanity scientist. Ang sabi niya, yes. Ang tanong ko, bakit? Because that is our way of life. The way we live. Kahit tayo kumain, namimili daw tayo muna. Basta, everything in the Filipino talaga ay nagmo-mold for us to be creative. And that is not coming from a hard scientist, no? Or technical people. Kasi ang engineer, marunong magbilang. Pero humanists na to, humanities, sasabi na creative talaga ang Pilipino. Because that is, kaya we should not change the way we live. Because that is the environment. And you can see from the adapters naman talaga, makikita natin ang creativity. Now, paano naman makakatulong ang DOST? Because this creativity is innate. Para bang, it's already part of us eh. Kasama tayo lahat dun eh. All of us are creative. And some of them are more creative than us, malamang. Pero how can we matatap natin itong creativity ng Pilipino? That is by developing technologies as a tool for our setup adapters and future setup adapters. Magamit ng creativity, gamitin ang technology as a tool. So what are the programs naman ng DOST para naman matap natin itong creativity? O paano tayo makakatulong further ng setup? Because we look at setup as a priority program. Para bang ang tulong namin dito kay setup, ay naano na namin si Yusek, Robert, tsaka lahat ng regional director, we are really pushing it to the limit. Kung ano kaya ng countryside natin, ano kaya ng ating mga SME pa. So we are really increasing our financial assistance. Bakit tayo nag-increase ng financial? Babalik ka na kanina, no, mention, kasi meron kaming, alam niyo naman, may repayment. Tawag namin repayment or anyway, we have a scheme. Okay. 85%. Wala na ibang siguro program. Even the banks, they cannot get an 85% balik. That just shows that if you use technology, your business becomes more viable, more competitive. Okay. We are really pushing for increased financial assistance. Secondly, we are developing appropriate technology talaga, especially in food. Some of them, makikita nyo sa aming display, kasi, for example, vacuum drying, vacuum frying, those kind of technologies will be made available at much lower cost. We are talking about vacuum packing, marami pa, spray drying, always benchmark. Actually, si Rowan, hindi lang sinabi kanina, actually, all the rectors, headed by si Rowan dapat, we would be benchmarking our food technology available. Gusto namin mag-benchmark that we should be on par with Thailand. That is the challenge. So the technology available for our adapters, hindi naman next year, no? Baka gawin natin in 3 years' time, the technology available for our setup or would-be setup adapters should be pareho tayo ng Thailand. So yun ang challenge natin. We should be equal to Thailand including other, ang plating natin, gusto rin natin 2 to 3 years we on par at least with Singapore kasi that's over in Baguio. The second one is that we are upgrading our facility for testing. Testing, our laboratories are, very, paano ba yun? Nagpupush talaga yung mga regional directors na dapat ma-upgrade ang facility because this is a important service to our SME. So we will be meeting na naman mamaya after this. Para bang gagawa na kami ng program talaga, paano bang laboratory development program? Yun ang one of our main discussion. And the third one is that we are looking for partners, just like what we kanina signed, because I would assume that the successful adapters ngayon ay hindi lang creative, hindi lang gumamit ng technology, magaling din sila sa financial management. So, malamang that's the main reason why you are so successful. But, marami din sa ating mga SME ay hindi masyado maganda ang fiscal discipline. Kailangan talaga ang matulungan regarding business. So, yung aming pinirmahan earlier is really a very big, it will really help our SMEs. And also we are partnering also with other organizations, again, to help SMEs. I'll just read something. No? There are many awards for our SMEs. But what sets the Best Setup Adapter Award is that it pays tribute not only to the courage and drive of the Filipino entrepreneur, but also to his or her ability to make the most out of the SNT intervention and technical assistance that the UST has provided. Actually, ang gusto talaga message for the awardees is that actually minention naman kanina dito na our national awardee is for you to be look up as a model talaga para mas marami pa maengganyo to go into business, especially using technology to make them more, para lalo silang maging more viable. Na enabler talaga ang technology. Again, congratulations to the winners at salamat sa ating mga partners. Magandang hapon po muli sa inyong lahat.
Thank you, sir. Your words today about creativity and your concept about building technology blocks during the first day will guide us in responding to the needs of our SNT customer or clients. And again, thank you, sir. May your shadow never be less. And with those inspiring words from our secretary, we would like to thank all of you for joining us in the first Setup Forum. In behalf of the Regional Operations Office, the ROS, the 16 regional offices, the 79 provincial offices, led by Undersecretary Carol Yorobe, my most sincere appreciation to all those who, in one way or another, made the first Setup Forum a success. Maraming salamat po. God bless us all.